Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? It's a staggering statistic, but it's also a reality for many. Imagine breaking free from that cycle with just one small change. Today, I'm putting Dave Ramsey's powerful money tip to the test to see if it can transform my finances, maybe yours too. Stick around, because this could be the tip that changes everything. If you've ever searched for personal finance advice, you've likely come across Dave Ramsey. He's a renowned financial expert who's helped millions of people get out of debt and build lasting wealth. His philosophy is simple, actionable, and incredibly effective. But what if I told you there's one specific tip he shares that could kickstart your journey to financial freedom? In this video, I'm diving into that tip and sharing my experience as I implement it. Will it really work? Let's find out together. Let's talk about the financial struggles many of us face. For most people, managing money is a constant challenge. Between credit card debt, student loans, unexpected expenses, and the pressure to save for the future, it can feel overwhelming. A lot of us end up spending money without a clear plan, and before we know it, we're living paycheck to paycheck. Sound familiar? I've been there too, and it's frustrating. But here's the thing: improving your finances doesn't have to be complicated. Dave Ramsey's method promises a simple solution to these problems. But does it work in real life? That's what I aim to find out. Dave Ramsey's philosophy is built on a few core principles. You may have heard of his 7 baby steps, which guide you from saving for emergencies to living a debt-free life. But at the heart of it all is a simple concept: control your money, or it will control you. One of Ramsey's most effective tools for achieving this is the zero-based budget. This method encourages you to give every single dollar you earn a specific purpose. For example, if you earn $3,000 in a month, you allocate every dollar of that income to expenses, savings, debt repayment, or other goals until there's nothing left unassigned. Why does this work? Because it eliminates accidental spending. When every dollar has a job, there's no room for your money to disappear. You're actively telling it where to go. I'll walk you through how I applied this method in my own life and the steps you can take to do the same. So, what's the tip? Give every dollar a job. When I first heard this, I thought, it can't be that simple. But once I sat down and started assigning jobs to each dollar in my budget, I immediately felt more in control. Here's how I did it. 1. Write down your income for the month. 2. List all your expenses, savings. 3. And financial goals. Be specific. 4. Allocate your income to these categories until every dollar is assigned. 5. Track your spending throughout the month to ensure you're staying on track. It took me about 30 minutes to set up my first zero-based budget, and honestly, it was eye-opening. For example, I realized I was spending way more on eating out than I thought. By reallocating that money, I was able to boost my emergency fund and make an extra debt payment that month. Let's recap. Dave Ramsey's simple money tip, give every dollar a job, is about taking control of your finances with intentionality. It's a straightforward approach that helps you avoid overspending, save more, and make progress toward your goals. After trying it for a month, I can see why this method has helped so many people. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about empowering yourself. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you use a budgeting method like this? Or do you have your own go-to money tips? Share them in the comments below. I'd love to learn from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more actionable financial advice. Together, we can take control of our money and build the financial future we deserve. Thanks for watching.